and I would love to talk to you more. So, you are telling me the meaning of Aniruddha. So, can you
Yeah.
please tell me its meaning?
Okay, okay. So Aniruddha is a basically grandson of God Krishna. It is written in Bhagavad Puran.
Okay,
Yeah, it is meaning of Aniruddha.
okay.
Yeah,
You know what? Before you, I was talking with a Pakistani, and
yeah,
he was telling me the truth, you can say dark truth of our Indian
yeah,
cinema, and he
yeah,
was telling me all the negative sides of Bollywood. But you know what? I told him I like Pakistani serials. They portray very positive role. They portray all things in short. They don't use dhumtanana, dhumtanana, dhimtanana. So I was telling him that things. But he was telling me all negative things that Indian are using Pakistani in a negative way. When I cut that call, then
yeah,
I realize one thing. I'm not telling that all Pakistani are bad. I'm not telling all Indians are good, but I'm just telling all positive things. But he was telling me all negative things. I am not
yeah.
understanding why he was saying like that. If Indian cinema or Bollywood is portraying that things, so what is the problem with it? They are showing us the reality of 21st century. So,
Yeah, yeah.
what is there in that?
I think we have to ignore them and we have to going on our way.
Yes, I'm not telling that he is a bad person, but I'm just telling you the difference of his thinking and my thinking. Okay, leave it. So, can you please suggest me one topic on which topic we can discuss?
Yeah. So we can discuss on uh, the history about India.
History about India. Do you like Indian history?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, but I think I am weak in history. I am good at painting.
You can suggest me any topics that
but
we can discuss.
but if you are interested in history, and I told you that I am not good in history, so definitely I want to talk about history. So let's start with history. So what do you think
Yeah, yeah.
about Indian history? Tell me something about it.
So, so Indian history is a basically. Uh, I know the Indian history about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj.
Yes.
So yeah, so I live in Satara in Maharashtra. So I know the history about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was born in 19 February in 1913 in Chivneri Fort. Yeah, and they created their own samrajya, and they against Muslims and Muslims thinking, bad Muslim thinking, and they want to create their samrajya and their own empire.
Okay.
Yeah, and there are lots of kings and lots of Raja Maharana was had been in India. So, how do you think about that?
Okay, I tell you my experiences and my knowledge about history. I read history when I was in class 9th or 10th, but when
Yeah,
I got intermediate class, then I left that subject. Basically, I am a PCM student. I have learned a lot chemistry, physics, and mathematics. But yes, I
yeah,
have few. I have what can I say? I have few knowledge
okay,
or little knowledge.
okay.
Which word is perfect for it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Do you have any
Okay.
idea?
No, I am also same to you,
Okay,
but
okay,
I am
okay, okay.
also
I tell you because I have an idea about it. Few is used for which is countable, and a little is used for which is not countable. You can say uncountable. I have little mind. I have a little money. I have a little knowledge. But when things are countable, so we can say I have few pens. I have few books. You got my point
Yeah,
now?
yeah, yes, right.
Okay. Actually, I was telling you my experiences of history.
Okay, okay,
I
okay.
love history because
Yeah,
I love spirituality, and history gave us a lot of spiritual people like Gautam Buddha and Mahavir Jain and Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose. A lot of leaders are there in history.